is. If you're retrofitting your Icotherm roof, first remove the existing glazed roof. Prior to starting the install, position and fix the eaves beam around the perimeter, ensuring the inside edge of the beam is lined up to the inside edge of the frame. Corners are dovetail screwed. Position the ridge at the given height and screw in place. Prop it up. Position the wall plate at the height indicated on your roof plan and screw with concrete fixings. Install the first pod, ensuring it fits against the wall plate. The bottom of the pod must be flush with the bottom of the eaves. Fix the pod with supplied screws. Remember to tack your pods as you go along. Position the solid hip against the installed pod to fit tightly against the wall plate and into the internal corner of the eaves. Fix through the eaves and to the pod. Install the roof window pod, ensuring it is neatly aligned against the wall plate. Install the rest of the lean pods as shown. Always follow the fixing requirements. Position the solid valley against the pods, ensuring a tight fit on the inside of the eaves. Screw into the pods and eaves. Slide the pods in and position correctly, flush against the brickwork and the ridge. Fix the pod in place at the ridge and at the eaves with the screws supplied. Slide corner pod into the angle, all the way into the corner. Finally, position and fix the last pods, ensuring correct positioning around the ridge end. Now that all the pods are in place, screw them together at 300 mm staggered centres. Position the eaves protector along the edge of the roof, ensuring it bends around the corners for maximum protection. Lay the breather membrane, ensuring an overlap over the edge, into the valleys, over the hips and ridge. Also turn against house wall. If using metal tiles, lay and staple the drainage mat. Situate and fix flashing. Insert the pre-cut insulation into their assigned spaces. After fixing the starter trim, if using metal tiles, tile your roof as per the recommended method.